This video is a blast from the past because we have so many new people watching our videos. I have decided to show you how we came up with our conversion van to a camping van. Hope you enjoy this. This is our 2012 Chevy Explorer 7-passenger van, which we are converting into a camping van. This is the back of the van with the seat upright. The space under the back seat we are going to use for extra storage. The back seat is down, putting it in bed position, and the microwave is now in front of that back seat. Our camp chairs will go underneath the back seat. The kitchen cabinet to hold our food and other kitchen items is now in. There is not a lot of room in the kitchen cabinet, but it will have to do to carry our kitchen items and a few days' worth of food. The middle two captain chairs have been removed. We are looking from the front of the van to the back couch. Another view taken from the front of the van to the back couch in the bed position. The couch is in the bed position, and it also shows the shelves on each side of the bed. We purchased the plastic drawer system from Walmart, and the wood was left from a kitchen remodel. Here is another look at the drawer system and the couch in the bed position. A queen-size 4-inch memory foam mattress was purchased from Walmart and placed on top of the drawer system for our bed. Here is another view of the mattress taken from the side door. The bed is now completely made up, and we sleep with our heads to the front of the van. The ever-necessary porta potty, which we only use at night or when it is raining. We built a chair to go over the top of our porta potty. This was built for our VW camper and didn't work well for this van, so we had to remove the back and make it a seat rather than a chair. Our cooler sat between the front seats so that we could get a drink while we were driving. Just make sure the plug is in. The cabinet was built to hold both electric and propane stoves, and it has not really worked out well for us in its position, and it had to be moved to the other side, and then the porta potty moved to that position. Hi everyone, this is Bruce and Jan, and we want to thank you for stopping by. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and give a thumbs up.